Today in crypto. Video game corporation Valve has informed users no content related to cryptocurrencies or non-fungible tokens will be allowed through its Steam marketplace. As reported by game developer SpacePirate on October 14, Steam has updated its guidelines for what content creators are allowed to publish on the platform. According to Steam, no applications built on blockchain technology that issue or allow exchange of cryptocurrencies or NFTs are permitted in its onboarding process for partners. The rule appears alongside guidelines prohibiting hate speech, sexually explicit images, and libelous or defamatory statements. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Traders and the market are showing extreme optimism on October 15 after rumors and an assortment of documents suggest that the path toward a Bitcoin ETF approval has fewer obstacles lying ahead. Following the positive news, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, rallied to nearly $63,000 for the first time since April, and multiple altcoins saw their prices book triple-digit gains. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Sports are a way for fans to step away from life's daily grind and escape for a bit. Meanwhile, for more and more users, crypto is something people can't live without. It makes for a fitting crossover of engagement, with new partnerships and projects coming to life each week. That's what we here at Bitcoinist look to cover every Sunday with a sports slice. This past week, we saw another Dapper Labs partner come into the mix. The NBA's Sacramento Kings found a new innovative partner in crypto, and Binance locked in a jersey deal for one of Europe's most recognizable soccer clubs. As always, let's jump into these stories and more to briefly recap all of the past week's action. Dapper Labs is becoming ingrained in sports NFTs in a way that few other platforms are even coming close to. Recent months have secured or released IP from sports leagues like the WNBA, La Liga, and the NFL. Additionally, new athlete buy-in pours in each month as professional stars see the potential for a fresh and new wave of fan engagement, not to mention substantial revenue generation. The NBA's Kevin Durant is one of the league's most talented stars, and this past week, the Kings have been named Fast Company's most innovative company in sports in recent years, and have partnered with a number of different crypto-first companies in recent years. The team piloted the first ever smart ticket NFT program during Summer League games, and ownership was one of the first to discuss the potential of paying players in crypto. Additionally, the team has previously paired up with crypto-first firms like Block Party, Manifold, and others for a variety of different crypto integrations. In a sports slice briefing last month, we covered the story of UCLA basketball guard Jalen Clark, who was the first collegiate athlete to have his own token, $Rock. This past week, another UCLA guard joined the ranks. Like Clark, Bruins point guard Tiger Campbell is teaming up with Rally to introduce Tiger. I'm looking forward to connecting with my fans/community to offer limited merchandise giveaways, opportunities to challenge me in Super Smash Bros. And chess, as well as get some exclusive access to me and my career, said Campbell regarding the token's release. Safe to say it's new generation of fan engagement. Related reading, Stream kicks out crypto, Epic replies, well, welcome them. If you're getting tired of hearing about Chiliz every week, you can't blame us. The fan engagement token platform has had their foot firmly on the gas, locking in new, noteworthy sports partnerships with teams and leagues every single week for months on end. This past week, Chiliz locked in legacy NBA franchise Los Angeles Lakers as a Socios.com partner. The platform isn't hesitating when it comes to exploring new areas, either. In last week's Sports Slice, we covered commentary from Chiliz and Socios.com CEO Alexander Dreyfus, who desired tokenization of brands, media, entertainment, TV, music, and retail. Now, Chiliz and Socios.com are already tapping into new territory. One vertical we haven't seen much exploration in yet is tennis, but an announcement this past week is changing that. Socios.com is locking in the Davis Cup as a partner for new token, Davis. Known as the World Cup of Tennis, the Davis Cup will be one of the first major tennis events to partner with Socios.com and Chiliz. This is likely the tip of the exploration iceberg for Chiliz and Socios.com, if Dreyfus' recent sentiments are any indication of moves to come. When it comes to sports engagement, We hear a good amount about exchanges like Coinbase and FTX, both of which have been particularly aggressive in securing sports partnerships deals. One name we haven't heard a lot of: Binance. This past week, we can change that. Italy's Lazio, a premier club in the Serie A soccer league, has locked in Binance as a jersey sponsor in a 2-year deal, with option to extend, valued at nearly $35 million. The deal marks the third club in Serie A to partner with a crypto firm, behind Inter Milan and AS Roma. The partnership includes primary jersey sponsorship rights and will solidify Binance as the primary distributor of Lazio's fan token engagement. Related reading: NFTs in a Nutshell, a weekly review. On October 15, news that a Bitcoin (BTC) exchange-traded fund (ETF) could start trading as early as next week sent Bitcoin price to $62,933, but the rally has cooled off since then. Some market participants believe that traders who bought the rumor of approval for a Bitcoin ETF product may sell on the news. Crypto trading firm QCP Capital said in an update that the approval of futures-based ETFs is unlikely to provide a long-term boost for Bitcoin prices similar to the one seen in the fourth quarter of 2020. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Binance to launch $1 billion fund to develop BSC ecosystem. Binance, the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, announced an accelerator fund worth a whopping $1 billion this week. The funds will go toward supporting the development of the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Binance outlined that the 10-figure sum will be part of a tiered development model across 4 specialist areas: talent development, the liquidity incentive program, the builder program, and the investment and incubation program. Coinbase, Nasdaq Coin, follows FTX and Binance in launching NFT marketplace. G7 leaders issue central bank digital currency guidelines. Crypto lending firm Celsius Network raises $400 million. Top engineers working on Facebook's wallet jump ship to A16Z's crypto fund. SEC likely to allow Bitcoin futures ETF to trade next week, reports. Bitmain stops shipment of Antminer crypto mining rigs into China. Bitcoin futures ETF will likely be delayed until 2022, says research firm CFRA. Estonian regulator wants to revoke all crypto exchange licenses. U.S. debt ceiling crisis, a catalyst for crypto's ultimate decoupling. Crypto scoring big with European football. The metaverse, play to earn, and the new economic model of gaming. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.